In the heart of Europe once stood a wall, not just of concrete and steel, but of fear, silence, and separation. The Berlin Wall, built in 1961, wasn't just a border between East and West Berlin. It was a brutal reminder of a world divided by ideologies. On one side, West Berlin, a symbol of democracy, color, and freedom. On the other, East Berlin, controlled by the Soviet-backed communist regime, a place where surveillance, censorship, and restriction ruled everyday life. The wall came overnight. Families woke up to find themselves split. People going to work one day couldn't return home the next. What followed was nearly 3 decades of desperate attempts to escape, digging tunnels beneath the city, forging fake documents, even building homemade flying machines. While a few succeeded, many were captured. Some were shot on sight. The wall had become not just a divider of land, but a divider of hope. But by the late 1980s, cracks were forming, not just in the wall, but in the communist system itself. Across Eastern Europe, revolutions were rising. The people were finding their voice again. In East Germany, protests swelled, tens of thousands, candles in hand, marching through Leipzig and Dresden, calling for reform and freedom. The pressure was mounting fast. Then, on November 9, 1989, a moment of confusion sparked a global turning point. During a press conference, a nervous East German official mistakenly announced that the border was now open, effective immediately. Within hours, thousands gathered at the wall. Guards, overwhelmed and unsure, stepped aside. That night, Berlin became one again. Strangers embraced, families reunited. Chunks of concrete were hammered down as souvenirs of a regime that had finally fallen.